Hey, what's up, everyone? I just wanted to go ahead and create a quick video of how we can utilize Data Cloud to stream Confluence articles into Salesforce Knowledge. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the config steps, and then we will finish the video with a short demo. So the first thing I have to do is connect Confluence to Data Cloud. Data Cloud has a bunch of pre-built connectors, and they had one for Confluence. All you have to do is go grab your API token from Confluence, configure this, and this will allow us to be able to create data streams with Confluence data. So I have two data streams for this use case. One is going to be pages, and the other one's going to be page contents. You could go ahead and select the fields you want to bring over, create custom formula fields, rename API names. You're able to set up a schedule. So I have this set on an incremental schedule, which means only net new or updated records will be streamed over to Data Cloud. And as well as a frequency. So currently I have it running on the hour of every hour, but you could switch that to daily, weekly, whatever fits your use case. So we have both of our data streams, and now I wanted to unify the data into a singular table. So I created a data transform called knowledge source article. So this also runs on a schedule. So it runs every hour. And so if there's new records and pages or page contents, it will refresh this table as well. The way I have this configured is I pulled in my two data streams. I joined them on the ID and the page ID of the two tables. And here I was able to configure what fields I want to bring over. And this really narrows my view because there's a lot of data in those data streams that I really don't care about for this use case. So I thought a data transform would be the easiest way to work with the data that I need to. The next step would be creating a Data Cloud triggered flow. So this flow will fire whenever there are new or updated records in the transform table. And when this fires, I go ahead and call an Apex queuable class. And this will check if we already have an existing knowledge article. And if we do, we would go ahead and create a new version in the draft state. And if we don't, it will go ahead and create a brand new knowledge article and that version also in the draft state. So one thing that I also did is I needed to preload my Salesforce knowledge with existing Confluence articles. So I created an additional batchable class that I ran at the start of this project to just backfill my Salesforce knowledge with the pre-existing articles. So now we'll go ahead and go into Confluence to start the demo and show you how this would work. So I already have a Data Cloud section, so we'll go ahead and create a new page. And for this page, I will just copy this help article. And we will publish this. So now when my two data streams get refreshed and my transform gets refreshed, the Apex class should run and create that knowledge article. So like I said, this is on an incremental schedule. So now we'll wait a few minutes, make sure this runs, and we'll go ahead and view that knowledge article. Alrighty, so as we wait for our new knowledge article to hit Data Cloud and be ingested. Okay, and now we'll just wait for our new article to hit Data Cloud and be ingested. And while we wait, let's go ahead and take a look at the Data Explorer tab. This allows us to view the data in our streams or our transform object. So it'll let us know if that knowledge article is ready to be viewed. So I will go ahead and select our transform object, and you can see that data streams and Data Cloud is available. So now we will navigate to Salesforce Knowledge, and we should see a draft article. Yes, so our data streams and Data Cloud is a draft article. Your knowledge admin could come in, review the article, make sure it was brought over correctly and includes everything it needs before publishing it so it could be live viewed by the rest of the resources using Salesforce Knowledge. That wraps up today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thank you very much.